Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everyone, and you are welcome back to day 3 of our training. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless our efforts and to make it more understood and said. So, if you are joining, so you're welcome to today's training. So, inshallah, Rahman, without wasting our time, today's topic is how to design e-commerce store. So, and I believe we all know what e-commerce is. So e-commerce is a store that your product can be uploaded on, like that of Jumia, like that of Alibaba website, like GG. So these are what we call is e-commerce store, and people are making payment from it. Then you deliver the product to them. So how you can easily design e-commerce store, either for your own products or for your clients. So that's what we are going to look at tonight, inshallah. So, as usual, let me share my screen first. So, I'll share my screen so that you can see. So, here is my screen, and I believe here you can see it. So, that's my screen that I've shared. So, now, as usual, our tools that we are using, our software is Gohighlevel. So, let's head straight to Gohighlevel. So, let me go to my account. So, this is my dashboard, my Gohighlevel dashboard as usual. So, we come to site, you click on site. So by clicking on sites, this the actually interface that we are working on since Monday. So we have our website design and all of that here. So likewise, our e-commerce store, we are going to have it here. So now we are going to stores. Can you see? So you click on stores. It's the same thing, the same process, the same way we designed our website yesterday. Just little things just change from it. Do you get? So So we are on store now. So you click on new store. Can you see? You click on new store. So here too, we have a template that you can use. So let's pick a template, then you continue. Wow. So these are templates. Can you see? Very beautiful. So let's just pick anyone, then we work with it. So let's go for this. Click on it. So as usual, then you click on continue. So it's going to add to your account. Let's wait for it to load. Alhamdulillah. So here is our e-commerce store templates that we want to use to design our e-commerce store tonight. Now, so the difference between this and the website is just that we are to upload the image of our products. Then we will add prices, description, and all of that. Then we what? Then we design the website itself. So here, as usual, we have a logo, and I believe you know how to input your logo. So the background, you already know it. So here, pack more, save more, explore more. So if it is okay by you, you can easily leave them. So because we won't take much of our time on designing because we already know that. So basically, what we are going to talk about much is how to upload products on your e-commerce store. So these are the products that is found on these templates. Can you see? So all these two, you can edit it. You already know all that. So we already know how to do all this. So you can change them, you can change the pictures, you can change the text. Do you understand? So now, how to upload our products? It's what's really concerned about this night. So this is the interface of our product. Can you see shop our products now? So in your own case, if you want to if you want to upload your own products or the products of your client, if you are designing for a client, Do you get my point? So irrespective of the number of products, this is how you are going to upload them to the store. So now this is the interface. You click on it as usual. You now come to manage products. Can you see? Manage products. You click on it. So by clicking on manage products, so we are going to upload all our products to it. We add prices to it and all of that. So let's go. So it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Wow. Now, so this is where it has taken us to after clicking on manage products. So these are the products I have here already before. So I can easily delete them because I don't need them anymore. So that you can see how you can upload it from scratch. So that it won't be like I already have products here, so I don't want to do that. Let me delete it. So I don't need them. So this is how you are going to be deleting any product too that you are not needing anymore. So take note of that. So after clicking on manage products, this is where we are. Can you see? So you now click on, is that you click here, create products, or you click create products, either of the two. So you click on it. So after clicking on create products, so wow, so this is it. So now title, that means that enter product name. What's the name of your product? Enter it. Let's say bag, for example. It depends on the product you are the maybe color is black, maybe the color is white. So the color that's available is white. You have white and black, for example. And if it has other description, you add it. So the description of your product, this is where you are going to put it. So after that, then you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down. You don't need all this. So product media, so the image of your product, you click on it. By clicking on it, as usual, we already know how to upload images to our Gohighlevel account. We know that already. So if you don't have any image here, just click here, then you upload them. Since I'm having some image that I can use here, so let's go. So this is a bag. Let me just click on it. Then I'll click on insert. As usual, insert files. So if you want to upload more than one image for a particular product, no problem. You can still go on and click on this. So, but I'm using only one image here. So here we are having our price. So then how much is it? Let's say maybe 20,000, for example. So it's 20,000. So then here, compare price. Compare as price means that there's a particular price for this bag, which is maybe 50,000 naira. You are going to see what I mean by that. Which is 50,000 naira. Do you get my point? But now you are selling it for 20,000 naira, maybe for the period of time. Maybe you are doing a discount. If you go to Alibaba or Jumia, there will be two prices. One will be at the top and the other will be at the underneath. So that one will be strike out. The meaning of strike out, you see it now. So it means that we're actually selling this bag for 50K, but for now it is 20,000. So you can do that. So let's go. You can easily work around all these things later. Then you move on, you move on. So you move on. Then after that, we save. Where is the required box that we've not filled? It requires something. Okay, available quantity. How many bags is available? Maybe you still have 5 in stock. We have 10 in stock. So you still have 10 in stock. Do you get my point? Then you save. So that's it. We saved our products. I'm coming. So we have saved it. Then we come back. So these are products. It has appeared. Products. So what's the name of the product here? Let me say shoe. Shoe. So if this shoe has any description, I'm going to add it here. If I don't have any description, then I'll move on. I'll move on to the image. So I'll click on image, product image, and I'm going to select the image that I want to use. Let's see, maybe I have a shoe here. Okay, let's use this. I'll click on it, then I'll click on insert file. So this is it. Then I'll move to the price. So this is the price. Maybe this one is going for 15,000 naira, for example, and the actual price is actually 30K. Can you see that? So after that, I'll move on. So I'll move on, then I'll save. I've saved it. Can you see? That's number 2. Then let's go back. I'll go back. So we have 2 products here already. I want to create more. Let's go. Create another one. This one, let's say wristwatch. I think I have a wristwatch that I can use. Sorry about that. So wristwatch. So if it has any description, maybe stripe, leather, and all of that, you can add it. Do you get my point? So it depends on the kind of product you want to use for that. Then I will upload it as usual. I think this is the research I want to use. You click on it, then you insert file. Then after that, you go to the price. Maybe this one is for 30K, and the actual price is what? Let's say it's 45K. So these are just a random prices. So you ask your clients the prices of their products. Then after that, we save. It has been saved. Can you see? We've saved it. Then you go back. We have 3. Can you see now? We have 3 products already. So let's go again. Let me add one more. Then we preview it. Let's say I didn't even. Let's search for another thing. I think I have a bag too. Another bag. Another bag. I have another bag. Okay, if it has description, you add it as usual. So if you don't have, you move on to image. You upload the image of your products. Let's see. I think I have another bag here. Okay, one more bag here. Let's scroll up. Let's scroll up. So this I'm not having. Maybe let me search. Maybe I can see one that I can use on Splash. So you don't search for any image here. Ask your client. So you are going to be uploading the images, the image products of your clients. Do you get my point? So that's the best thing. So these are very beautiful bags. Can you see? Very beautiful. So let me use this for example. I'll just click on it. So I've chosen it. Then I'll give it a price. Show up now. What is happening? Sorry. And Splash bag. So let me pick this. Maybe you should look up another thing. I don't know what is wrong with Splash this night. So let's go. Let me look for another thing here. So let's assume maybe this is just a bag. This is just an example though. So let me pick this. Then insert file. So that's our image for the product. Then we add the price. Maybe this one is 12,000. 12,000, and the initial price is what? Maybe 20K. Can you see? So then you save. Now that we've saved like 4 products, so now we are having 4 products here. Can you see? We are having 4 products already. So we are now going back to our template that we are designing. Do you get my point? We are now heading back since we've added our product here. We are now heading back. Now listen attentively. If you want to design a website for any client, you can use your own Gohighlevel to design it, no problem with that. But it is advisable for you to get them their own Gohighlevel, because later, sooner or later, they may want to get to be having they may request that they want to have access to their own, to the back end. So it's not possible for you to give them your login details to your Gohighlevel. So it's advisable to get them Gohighlevel. But for e-commerce store, you can't design unlimited e-commerce store with one account, one Gohighlevel. You are going to buy another Gohighlevel. If that person wants to design e-commerce, it is must for you, because your account can design only one e-commerce account, a store rather. But for website, you can design unlimited. Even that, the best thing for you to avoid issues is that any client that you get that want to design website design, make sure that you get them, you charge them for Gohighlevel separately, then you charge for your services. The charges and everything, we are still going to talk about it in our seventh day, inshallah. So we have our 4 products here already. We now go back to store. So we go back to what? To store. So this is stores. You click on it. So this is the store. Let me click here. So this is the store we are working on. Then I will open it. So can you see? So can you see? These are the remaining pages. Cart, checkout, and all of that. Then thank you page. Edit in a new tab. But the product aspect is what concerns us. Everything has been there. And you too, you can check and text. You can test run a lot of things. You can easily just pick a random template and you try to work and try a lot of things on that template, just to practice everything. The more you practice, the more you realize a lot of things by yourself on Gohighlevel. That's just it. Do you get my point? Aha. So let's go back to the templates. So here's our template. Don't forget that we've already uploaded all our products that we want to sell. Do you get my point? And this is just a placeholder. So don't mind this, oh, don't mind all this. It's not there anymore. So how am I going to now check it? I will now preview. I'll click on preview. So after clicking on preview, yeah, let's see. Maybe we have our product there. Can you see? Very beautiful. So this is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the initial price. Can you see? The bag is 20,000 naira, but the normal price is 50K. But I've strike it out. That is 96% off. Do you get my point? So anytime you want to do a discount or a bonus or a layer promo for any of your products on your e-commerce store, that's how to do it. You just go to the price and put the price to it. Do you get my point? So let's go. Can you see these are our products that we have on our store presently? So people can just check. All this you can edit it by yourself and put what goes in line with what you want, with what you like, all the clients. Do you get my point? So it's very beautiful. So that's wow. Then, so if I click on any product now, let me click on it so that you can see. So let's say, okay, I like this shoe. I'll click on it. For example, can you see now? Add to cart, just like Jumia and all of that. Can you see? If I click on add to cart, can you see? So continue shopping. If I click on it, can you see? So just like you want to what? You want to buy it just like on on Jumia and Gigi and all other e-commerce store. So this is how to upload your what? Your products to e-commerce. So anytime the client reach out to you again, so don't mind this. So like I said, so this is our initial, this is our e-commerce store. So after uploading the product, this one won't change. Yes, because it's just a placeholder. But when you click on here and you view it, so and you view it, so and you scroll down, you are going to see it here. So this link is the one. If I copy it now, let me copy it. Control C. So let me close it. Let me close this. So let me now open another tab here. Then let me place it and search for it. You see what is going to bring. Okay, let's see. Can you see now? So can you see now? Aha. So that's how to design our e-commerce store, either for your own product or for a client. So it's very easy. So make sure you practice it. So, and we have one assignment on ground for the website. So, and I've not seen anybody that submitted it to the group. So latest, this is another example. This is another assignment for you. Design an e-commerce store. Upload 20 products on it. 20 products. Yes, I want to see 20 products on your what? On your e-commerce store. Make sure you do that and then you send the link to me. I think I've already shown you how to send the link. Like I just did now that I copy it. That link is what you are going to send to me and I will review it. So we are going to review it together, inshallah. So make sure you do that and you submit it latest before 6 p.m. tomorrow. Please, for Allah's sake. The more you practice, the more you know more about these things. Before we get to the seventh day, where we are going to talk about how to get clients, how to make money from it. You need to know this thing very well. Although either you know it very well or you are still trying, I'll still be there for you to support you. Do you get my point? But nevertheless, just make sure that you know this thing very well and you practice it. So if you are here to get your Gohighlevel account, it is still 32,500 for now. So make sure you get it on time before the price goes up anytime soon. So inshallah Rahman, tomorrow we are going to talk about social media accounts, social media management. So how to schedule your posts. Imagine you are having 100 content to post in a month. So instead of you posting it manually, how to do that automatically? It's very simple using Gohighlevel. So we shall talk about that tomorrow will be our name of Rahman. So this is the end of today's class. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless our efforts and to make it more understood and said and to accept all our ibadat and to grant us all our wishes. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wa salamun ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.